Hello folks, I'm David Gasket. I'm with Butcher BBQ. Today we're going to talk about our pistol grip injector and replacing the gasket inside the injection tube. All right, so let's start with releasing the gasket itself. What you'll have to do is hold this rod, unscrew this, and as you'll see, the gasket will start to loosen from the inside of that. Now it's pretty well free floating. Okay, we will remove the injection tube. And then to remove the gasket, you'll need to hold on to the end and then continue to unscrew this. And it will open up this. You'll push this threaded rod out. It comes completely out. And then sometimes this is all sticky, and especially if it's a used one, and because it's hard to clean sometimes, but there is a washer on the backside. You'll need to remove that washer so that you can remove the gasket itself. And each kit comes with a replacement gasket. What you'll do is you'll find the gasket and you'll see an indentation on it, and then there's a flat side. Okay, that indentation part will be facing that washer. The flat side itself will go against the permanent product there. All right, let's put the gasket back on. I'm sorry, the replaced gasket is on. Let's put that washer back in. We will then insert it back through that. We will put the knob back on and spin it. Replace it inside the tube. And then that is where you will hold this with 2 fingers and tightening this. You will see it making contact on the inside of that tube. And now we're ready to use the injector again.